How to eat pho like a pro. Pho is one of the most iconic traditional dishes in Vietnam, but many foreigners don't really know how to eat it the local way. So let me show you how we do it. First, if you're not into spring onions, just tell them not to add any, like my friend here. Next, squeeze some lemon into the bowl. Just make sure to remove the seeds unless you want that unexpected bitterness. Then add some garlic. If you don't like it, you can skip this step. But trust me, it can seriously elevate the flavor. After that, add a bit of chili sauce if you want some extra spice. Finally, don't forget to try quail. This crispy topping hits differently. Dip it into the broth for a few seconds until it becomes soft and absorbs all the flavor. And there you go, the elite way to eat pho like a pro.